This is a house circuitry project. Uh, House circuitry. So this is a small scale circuitry of what is actually implemented in our houses. Like what actually, like there's a switchboard right over there. So what is happening behind that? What is connected to the main source and what happens so that this fan works. So this consists of 8 switches in total. The the main switch, and then it is so the main switch controls. Suppose you live in a bungalow. So this main switch can like if your fans you're going out somewhere.
Draw the bungalow. Give them the visualization. Draw the bungalow. A very quick, small partition करता हुआ. Give them visualization. Vedant for everything. It will be much better. Just draw a very quick bungalow. Tell them what is it.
Okay. So suppose you're going out somewhere, and
What is R1, R2, R3? Beta, you have to tell. Okay, sorry.
So you're going out somewhere and you forgot to switch off the light. There's a so you have a light and a fan in every room. These are rooms R1, R2. So room 1, room 2, room 3, room 4. So you're going out somewhere and you forgot to switch off the light of room 1. So what you can do is just this main switch, you just switch it off. So what happens in that? Now there are switches over here and over here, so that you don't have to go again and again to the main switch to turn it on and off. And like there are switches, so and these switches are connected to the one room switch and over here too. So there are switches of a fan and a light, and if you want to switch the light on over here, but this switch is off, so this won't turn on because they're all connected in one circuit. This does not have its own battery over here. So what happens in this is that there are two floors in this, as you can see, and there are you have two switches for both of the floors, and these switches are connected to this one main switch.
Are you guys following what he's saying? जो दो floors के switches हैं are connected to one main switch. Yeah.
Okay. So suppose you're going out again and you forgot to switch off both the fans and the lights in both of these rooms. And so what you can do is, and you're just on the bottom floor, so you can just climb up the stairs and switch off this switch instead of going on and going in the room and switching off the fans and the lights, because you have one switch which connects both of these rooms.
Did you understand? One switch will connect both of them. Ask him.
I cannot understand how if we switch off one switch, then both the rooms will.
Because they are ultimately connected, they are in one circuit.
See, try to understand her question. Her question, no, just a second. Exit. Her question, to resolve her question, why don't you make a separate small thing? Instead of to remove the complexity, चार room है, हर floor का switch है. What she's trying to say is, how are you switching multiple loads with only one common switch? उसका question वो है actually. Try to understand the nature of the question.
So we'll take this floor one.
उसको नहीं दिख रहा बेटा, तुम्हारी पीठ आ गई बीच में.
हाँ मैं ऊपर room one, the fan and the lights. fans and the lights have two terminals, right? Over here also. So these both have their own switches, and then there is one common switch which connects both of these rooms. And you can take out multiple wires from one terminal also. There is no problem in that. Like you can connect, like you're connecting one switch over here, and you can take out another wire and connect it over here also. But we won't do that because this switch originates from this wire. This switch actually this does not have an appliance at all. The appliance that it is using is this switch. It controls these two switches, which ultimately control these two appliances. So what's happening here is main switch, floor 1, and then it's breaking up in two parts, room 1 and room 2. And then they both are breaking into two parts again for a fan and a light. So if you switch off this and it's connected to a battery over here. So if you switch this off, then how will these work? There's no electrons to fulfill the usage of the fans and the lights. There's no current flowing in the circuit. So they won't switch on.
Are you satisfied? Very good. Satisfied?
इतना भी नहीं
Idea लगा?
हाँ थोड़ा सा
What he said is absolutely correct. Actually, probably वो थोड़ा patience के साथ बोलेगा तो और अच्छे से आ जाएगा. What he said is absolutely perfect. मेरे हिसाब से तो मुझे लगा. So what he is saying is you are dividing the current. ठीक है? So this single line is dividing into two. And यहाँ पे दो फैन लगे हुए हैं. तो ये जहाँ पे डिवाइड हो रहा है ना, उसके पहले अगर तुम एक स्विच लगा देते हो, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन का फ्लो दोनों के लिए कट हो गया. Yeah. What else? Is there anything else, Vedant?
No.
Yeah.
Yes, and there are the points that I can improve on. So this is my project right now. So I think I can improve the build quality of this. It's very fragile and brittle. It will break in a second. And add another floor to it. Over here I've drawn two floors. There's just one floor in this. So if I make two floors, the explanation would have been better. I would have showed you better. And this. The main switch, it's dividing into two parts, the room 1 and the room 2. This was supposed to be floor 1 and floor 2, but I didn't make another floor. So I just took them as room 1 and 2. And then this is dividing into two parts of whole. This is dividing into two
Can you
parts.
see the two parts? The two parts में जा रहा है. Can you see? So he is dividing the current into two separate streams.
So this is this. Switch this on. And the panels, switch this on. And then, okay, this is not connected. So if I switch this off, switch this on, it does not work because there is no current flowing in the circuit, so it won't work. If I switch this on and this one, it works. Then, yes, this is the room 2. Let's breaking into two parts again.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
They're just dividing into two parts and it's divided.
Is there anything else, Vedant?
No.
Any questions? Nilanj, समझ में आ गया? Really? हाँ, Larry, seriously? Okay. This one question.
Hmm.
How many parts do you think you can divide the current into? Because it's not necessarily just two, right? You could have 3, 4 floors, 5 floors, and then you can have multiple rooms on a floor. होता ही है, वैसा ही होता है hotel में or somewhere. So, do you think they keep on dividing the wire, current carrying wire? And what effect will it have? If you keep on dividing the current, what effect will it have on the appliance? So suppose you're dividing the current to 4 fans.
Yeah, so if there are too many appliances, like there are 5 appliances in this 5 appliances, this and this. So all of them won't work properly because the battery doesn't have that amount of voltage in it. Okay, so this battery is 5 volts or 4 volts something. So if there
But
are
the current is getting divided now, not the voltage. Number of electrons are dividing. It's like car dividing on a freeway. थोड़ी इधर चली गई, थोड़ी इधर चली गई.
Oh yes, okay. So suppose there are in total 50 electrons in this wire. So it's dividing into two. There are 25 and 25, and then it's dividing into two again. So 25 divided by, and then it's dividing again. So ultimately there would be no electrons left to divide furthermore. So you'd have to discontinue the circuit and start one again with another battery and the same logic.
Does the voltage remain same?
Yes.
The number of amount of current पे फर्क पड़ रहा है, मैं समझ गया. Number of electrons basically. Voltage same रहता है, कितना भी divide करते जाओ. What is voltage? How is voltage different from the current?
Voltage is the amount of electrons the battery will give.
Actually, no. The amount of electrons is the current itself. Voltage is the tendency of the electrons to flow. It's like the speed of a car. The tendency, you understand the word tendency, right? The same tendency 1 electron में भी हो सकती है, same tendency 10 electrons में भी हो सकती है. So the voltage is same, but 10 electrons के केस में current is more. Tendency does not change. जब आप parallel में ऐसे break करते जाते हो, the tendency does not change. Current does. ठीक है. Anything? Any question? So no question at all. Do you have anything to say? No? Okay, thank you so much.